fa. If this world fa. Hey, Roman numeral 7 bass, rap it like it's hot.
Hi guys, it's me again, Lance. Welcome back to my vlog about women empowerment. Kaya tara, samahan nyo ako manood ng MPL habang ibinabahagi ko ang mga nagawa ko. So dito guys, drafting muna sila. In my first vlog, I shared what is my advocacy is about. So what I did is I talked to my classmates and friends about respecting women. I also posted on social media about this advocacy and shared inspiring stories about women leaders and role models. I learned that small actions really matter. Respecting women, listening to them, and supporting them already makes a difference. I learned that small actions really matter. Respecting women, listening to them, and supporting them already makes a difference. And social media is very powerful. It helps spread awareness fast by posting, sharing, and supporting women online. We can reach more people and inspire change. So, ayun na guys. Tapos na yung laro nila. At nanalo yung mga kasama ko. Nice one. Let's go playoffs guys. Watch MPL. So ayun guys, nag-ML muna ako. Bago activities. ML gusto, gawa activities ayaw. Aray ko. Siyempre, eme-eme lang yun guys. Kumawa din ako after ng game ko. Ang dami guys, umay naman. Bukas na yung iba, Ma'am Elo. Sorry. So, ayun guys, maraming salamat sa panonood ng vlog na to. Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo sa pag-share ng ganitong positive na bagay para marami tayong ma-inspire at ma-motivate. Thank you so much again guys at sa muli nating pagkikita. Paalam!
Sa bawat pagharap natin sa salamin, minsan hindi lang refleksyon ang bumabalik, pati ang mga masasakit na alaalang pilit nating kinakalimutan, ang mga multo ng ating nakaraan.